I'm Chelcee Grimes, I'm a singer-songwriter, and if you're a creative like me, we've all been there. You've got writer's block, the inspiration's gone. So I'm here today at Regent's Canal outside Samsung KX with adventurer Alaistair Humphreys, and we're going to be talking about how to combat writer's block. What tips have you got then when you are like so just blocked off, you can't write anything?
First thing I would always do is just go outside. Wherever I am in the city, countryside, rain, sunshine, just let some different things into your brain.
So you don't sit there and like try to make it happen, you just...
Then you just get so frustrated then. Chelcee, what about you when you're mentally stuck when you're writing?
You know what I found? If I just use like a different creative muscle, like film photography, and just literally pick up my camera, go on a walk, forget about music for a sec, even reading a book.
So you think focusing on some other vaguely creative thing lets your brain filter out your
100%.
songs? The great thing about the Galaxy Book Pro, it's just so light and portable, so you can work with it anywhere.
Let's see how light that actually is
very light.
There's no yellow brick road to writing a song for me personally. Sometimes I can write a song fully in 10 minutes. I know exactly what I'm writing about. Sometimes I'll get a hook or a chorus or a verse, and then I'll come back to it in like 3 months and then be like, and start back off again. All right, Al, so I'm going to set you a little challenge. We've both agreed that obviously getting your heart rate up definitely helps. Inspiration, yeah? I reckon jump on there and do some dips. Go on, let's see. Let's get to 10.
10?
Go on. 1, 2, 3. I mean, the form is impeccable right now. Now he's just showing off. The heart rate, how's it feeling?
Oh, I'm feeling creative now, ready to write.